Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is 4. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So here we have one bracket, which is this one. And outside the bracket, we have a number which has the power. So first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is inside bracket, we have 3 plus 1. So first of all, we have to solve this one. So we will write like 10 minus 2 multiply 3 plus 1. It becomes 4 raised to power 2 divided by 4. And here we have to give the reference 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved. Now for step number 2, we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So here we have 4 raised to power 2, 4. Now we have to solve this one, not multiplication, not division, not subtraction. First of all, we have to, after the bracket, we have to solve the exponent part. So here we have 10 minus 2 multiply 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 16. Divided by 4, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Or you can say 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 16. Now move forward. We have solved the exponent part as well. Now for division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So here we have to solve this one. What we have to do, we have to go left to right. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS. The rule is same. You have to go left to right. 10 minus 2 multiplied by 16. It becomes like 32. 16 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 32. And divided by 4, we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 16 multiplied by 2 equals to 32. Now, again, we have to go left to right and see. Here we have the division, multiplication and division. So here we have 10 minus, we have 32 divided by 4. Here we have solved the 2 multiplied by 16 and now we have 32 divided by 4, which becomes the 8. So 4 8s are 32. Here we have to give the reference 32 divided by 4 equals to 8. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 2. So the answer of the given expression is 2. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.